मत बनाओ. Time pass, nonsense, weird. I don't know how many such comments I received on my previous video, which was regarding mealybug treatment on your plants. So that was uploaded almost around a year ago, and today I am here to show you 1 year after results of all those exact plants which I have treated a year ago in that video which I have showed. And just to prove you it is not any nonsense, and for my genuine viewers I want to show you how well it is thriving now. So first let me show you a glimpse of all my plants. So as you see here, these are all my plants and all my collection. I have not filtered them out yet. I will take them along during this video. And one more thing, if you are watching this video like you are completely new to this channel, then please make sure you watch that previous video regarding the mealybug treatment. I have treated many of my plants for mealybugs and the results are very successful. And in that video I have already mentioned like 3 different types in which you can treat the mealybugs on plants, and all those have proved to be successful. So let me show you those plants first now. Okay, here you see. Let's gather all the plants, it's going to be fun. First one, this is a hibiscus, and there are many hibiscus plants already. This is one of them. Checking out some other plants. Whoa, look at the growth. This one as well. Something really funny happened just now. Let me show you that first. Okay. I need some space. I need to accommodate myself in the video. So this is our marble-kin pothos, and it has grown its roots in this another planter which is containing dwarf syngonium. Isn't that funny? Syngonium is doing good, and our pothos new baby is also doing good. We need to separate that anyways. Okay, I'm taking out other plants as well. So now I have them all, and one more plant which I couldn't place over there and which I have treated that time is this, our huge monstera. Okay, so let's talk about each plant. So this is the same monstera plant which I treated an year ago. So this leaf which you can see, this is completely new. After that, this leaf is completely new as well. So by then we had I think 4 to 5 leaves only, and one might have already died, the bottom leaf. But now if you could see, the plant is thriving very nicely. All the leaves are doing good. We can see new growth now, and that's the major proof of it's doing great. And other than that, the root growth is also nice, and overall our plant is doing very nice now after we treated it. So as we have started for monstera, let's cover up our next monstera as well. So this is our monstera adansonii. New leaves are healthy. Also, all the branches are doing well. And if you compare with the previous video, you could get like it has grown nicely, and all the mealybugs we had by then, all of them have vanished completely. Like the same time only, all the mealybugs got vanished after we treated them. And after that I don't have any issue regarding mealybugs on any of these plants. Actually on any of my plant I don't have this issue of mealybugs right now. It's doing well and thriving nicely, this monstera baby. So after that we have this spider plant. So for the spider plant, I was scared actually in the beginning, because all the mealybugs used to hide in like between these leaves, and it was getting tougher for me to remove them by any method. But I constantly followed all our 3 methods which I have mentioned in that video, and constantly doing that and washing of the plant on a regular basis. This is the after result. Now we don't have even a single mealybug on the plant. Yeah, like during the process I have lost many of the leaves, like I manually removed many leaves from here, and that's why we could see here it like leaves are less, but that didn't affected the new growth at all, and the new growth is very healthy and nice. So before moving towards pothos family, let's once go through our hibiscus. So this is the same hibiscus plant which I have treated for mealybugs, and not a single time actually. After that also I have treated it, and it's covered in completely another video. So hibiscus plant has like a common issue of getting mealybugs again and again, and this plant has also gone through some other issues as well. And one more thing I would like to say about hibiscus plants is, please make sure to keep such plants away from your other indoor plants, like because these mealybugs are starting their journey from the hibiscus plants itself. So if you are keeping them close with other plants, then it might cause harm to your other plants very fast. So better to keep them away from this. So this hibiscus plant I am keeping in my kitchen balcony generally, and all my other these indoor plants are here in my living room space balcony. So now moving towards our pothos family. Here is the giant mother pothos, which is my oldest plant from this. Golden pothos, which all households generally have. It was such a huge plant back then as well, and it was attacked by mealybugs, and hence I had the problem like how could I remove it from each and every corner of this plant, because for such a huge plant, going corner by corner, like stem by stem, it would be really difficult to carry, like to go through each and every corner of this plant. But still I went forward and followed those 3 methods one by one, whichever necessary for this plant, and finally we could see the plant is growing nicely now with zero amount of mealybugs. You can see clearly on the stem part there is no mealybug or no kind of any insect as well here. The plant is doing good. And here is my neon pothos. So it has very bright leaves and the growth is doing great. It has grown actually. This is the plant which has shown most amount of growth in this 1 year period, I think so. And as I have it along the moss pole, we could see the leaves are also bigger for this plant. That's a good thing. And again, talking about any kind of pest or mealybugs, you could see there is nothing such thing over here. So the whole plant is doing really nice and well. So the next one we have is our marble queen pothos. I have to take the other planter along with it wherever it is. See, the marble queen is also doing good. We have new growth, which is nice. I think this one was very badly affected by mealybugs. We could see the zoom picture from that video. Like each and every leaf was affected, but now if we could see, there is no such leaf with mealybug. The plant is doing good. It is growing. It is showing new shoots. It has done like many branches, like we could see many new branches for this plant. I have cut it several times, and that's the reason there are like many branches. Even like from one, because of one cutting, it has grown along like 7 to 8 branches from a single stem. That's the amount of growth and bushiness it has shown. And maybe due to that it has not grown taller, or maybe I have not allowed it to grow taller because of the cutting nature. But yeah, the plant overall is doing extremely nice. So yeah, that was me and my plants. I got so immersed in this video that I completely forgot to introduce myself. So hi all, I am Plant Girl and I make videos related to plant and nature content over here. So if you are into plants or nature, do subscribe to my channel. And by this time I think you would have already watched the whole video, and if you found it even a little helpful, please like this video as it would encourage me to make more such videos. And comment down your thoughts on this in the comment section below. I hope for all those commenters you found your reply or answer from these results. And yeah, that's it. Share this with your friends, and for more such videos subscribe to my channel. We will meet soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.